Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi, if you're new, I'd love if you guys hit that subscribe button down below along with the little bell next to it. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my go-to fall makeup, hair, and outfit. I love this makeup tutorial because it literally takes me under 10 minutes. It's what I do every single day. I just flat ironed my hair. It's super simple, and I'm also sharing with you guys one of my go-to fall outfits. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you do, and comment down below what your go-to fall outfit is because I would love to know. But let's just get into the video. So first off, I always have to put my hair up when I do my makeup. I cannot stand when it's in my face, so I'm just going to be using my scrunchie and putting it in a quick messy bun. Then I'm going to be taking my Neutrogena Healthy Skin Glow in my beauty blender and blend this into my skin. Then I'm going to be taking my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and just concealing my under eyes and any other spots on my face that need be. Along with that, I'm going to be taking my Alame Corrector Concealer, and this helps with any blemishes that you might have on your face. It just helps like cover them up, but it also helps heal them as well. Once that's done, I'm going to be contouring my face with my Wet n Wild contouring palette. I like to add some of the highlights onto my eyes and any other spots that need to be highlighted, and then I'm going to be taking the darker shade and contouring my cheekbones. My favorite part is adding a bit of bronzer on top of my contour. I just love how glowy this makes your skin look, and this one from e.l.f. is one of my favorites. Once that's done, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild highlighting stick. I use this all the time, you guys. This product is literally $2 and it is the best thing that I've ever used, and I love it. I'm going to be putting on some e.l.f. highlight on top of that. I kind of use that first one as a base, but I just highlight above my lip, my nose, under my eyebrows, and then my cheekbones again. Finally, it's time to do my eyebrows, and I use my NYX eyebrow pencil, and I love this because it matches my eyebrows perfectly, and I feel like it doesn't look too overdone, and I just blend it out with the little spoolie on the end of the pencil. And then I'm going to be curling my eyelashes, and I'm just using NYX Worth the Hype mascara. This is one of my favorites. I love it. You can get it at Target if you are wondering. And then to add a extra little layer in my bottom lashes, I'm going to be using my Deck of Scarlet mascara. This one is so nice because it's so dark and it's just the perfect coverage for your lower lashes. And finally, I'm going to be finishing off my makeup tutorial with my favorite Pixie matte lipstick. I just think this shade is so beautiful and so perfect for fall. And once my makeup's done, it's time to move on to my hair. And I turn on my flat iron. This is the Irresistible Me Black Diamond Flat Iron. I've been using it for a while and I absolutely love it. And I'm just going to brush out my hair. I'm using a wet brush from, I think that's what the brand is, but I love it. It just is so easy to brush out long hair. And I just section it off with my scrunchie, and I'm just going to be flat ironing it. And then I turn my flat iron off, and I like to finish off my hair to make it a little bit shiny with my Moroccan Sleek Oil from Garnier. I love this product. It smells like cupcakes, it makes your hair look so shiny, and it just kind of adds a little bit of life to it after flat ironing it. And my go-to fall outfit is a sweater, some skinny jeans, and my favorite ankle boots. I got these boots at H&M. They have a similar pair from Gap. My jeans are from Abercrombie & Finch, and my sweater is from Nordstrom Rack. It's super comfy, super warm, and just a classic staple for fall, and I love it. I just have a bunch of arm candy on. It's so fun. I have a whole blog post on this outfit. If you guys want the links to everything, I will have it listed down below for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys have any other video requests that you want to see from me, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon. Bye, guys!